No more online dates. The 35-year-old professional is actually a 58-year-old retired car salesman from Crenshaw who writes love songs and has a nasal infection. Freak show.
Sorry to hear that. Lucia's out. Look,
I heard. Madcap? Seriously? What needs a person, Camp? I know you like Lucia. Why didn't you just come to me? I could have helped you.
how?
You know, I'm not sure you know Lucia that well. With guys like Buck, you're asking for trouble. And she likes it that way. Always has. She likes amor de praia não sob a serra.
What?
Beach love. The infatuation, the passion, but not always forever. It's what they call here summer love, you know? Relationship. It demands more.
What does it take to last?
Come here. Look me in the eyes and pretend I'm Lucia. Tell me what you feel.
No thanks.
Ah, come on. Man up.
I've been thinking, and maybe...
No, stop. You have it in you. Just be direct, try honesty. Risk your heart on me.